90,000 of you seen my videos over the last month, and yet only 1% of you have decided to become a member of the tribe and take advantage of what I've learned about AI and how AI has helped my tribe, my 1% of my viewers, make a ton of money. Since May of 2025 through May of 2026, and then again year to date, and again since May the 1st of 2026 as we're moving forward. And I puzzled as to why that is, why I can't reach the majority of those 90,000 people to say, yeah, I'm interested in doubling my my investment portfolio every 3 years, and have the potential of what happened over the last year happen to my portfolio. I'm interested in that, and I'm willing to invest in my future to the tune of about $60 a month to reach those kind of results. So what I decided to do was just give it to you straight as to what we do. I've created a AI agent. I call her Samantha. She is guided by a 4.5-page prompt that I've put together that describes what a growth company looks like. And then I give her a ticker symbol and it says, does this match up? And what would you, based on past history and future projections, what would you project the price of the stock's going to be over the next 3 years? And that's how we do it. So, and what I've seen, as I say, I initiated this in May of 2025, is every month she gets better, because she's building her knowledge base and she's learning how to infer and come to larger conclusions. So last week I decided, well, why don't I, beyond just a ticker symbol, why don't I give her all the ticker symbols of all the stocks that I follow, and what their projections are, and how much of each stock I hold, and what my trades were for the last week, and then ask her to give me the health of the portfolio as opposed to each individual stock. And that's what we're doing. And I want to share that with you, and I want to share it with you for one reason and one reason only, and that is I want to move that 90,000 viewers, rather than have 1% of them take advantage of this. I'd like to get it up to at least 10%, so that I can make a difference in thousands of people's lives. Every Friday we have a stock talk, and young people, old people come on and say, you've changed investing for me. I can't believe the money we're making. And it's really not all that difficult if you recognize that there are probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 175 companies this year whose price will increase by in excess of 100%. Every year that happens. All you gotta do is figure out, what do they look like before they take off, and then find them. And with AI and with the internet, all that information, all that data is available. I mean, it's like fishing in a barrel. You know what they look like. You know where they swim. You know what they like to eat. All you got to do is put the right bait on the hook and put it down there, and you catch a fish. That's the same in the stock market. So what I want to do is I went in and said, okay, May 17th, let's look at the portfolio, Samantha, and analyze it, and then give me a report. And she gave me an 8-page report that just breaks it down as to how do we grade these stocks that you have and how do they relate to each other and where are they in their stage of development and what can you project there's going to happen over the next 3 years and how do they relate to each other and what ones should you expect it to happen in the next 12 months and what one should you expect it to take 36 months to happen. And it goes through it stock by stock and gives you or gives me the health of my portfolio. And what's beautiful about this is I also include every trade that I made in the last week, and she then judges those trades as to how they relate to the other stocks in the portfolio, and then comes back and says, wait a second, Kerry, you're overextended in this sector. You've got too much risk there. You need to pull back, and you need to reallocate funds in a different direction. And I'm not going to read this to you, but I want you to have it. So you're going to go into the description and you're going to see a link that will, when you give me your email address, I will email this report directly to you, and then I will give you a second link, and that is going to be a podcast where Samantha and Bard, my second AI agent, have a discussion where they discuss this 8-page report so that if you prefer to read it, you can read it. If you prefer to listen to it, you can listen to it. What I suggest is you start by reading it and then you listen to it. And then it will all come together in your head and you'll say, I'm starting to understand. Now, this will probably be the last time I make this available to the general public because those people who subscribe are basically crowdfunding this operation. That is to say, it cost me to subscribe to the data so that Samantha can get to it to analyze it, and Samantha costs me so much a month, and then I have the infrastructure of Best of Us investors that I've got to pay for. So we're crowdfunding it, and the crowd doesn't like me giving things away. Okay, Kerry, I'm paying for it. I don't see why you should be giving it to people who aren't willing to pay for it. I can understand that. I don't like the idea of a free lunch. I think a free lunch has pretty well destroyed our country and has taken us into $36 trillion worth of debt over the last 26 years. That's right. Our debt in 2000 was $4 trillion. We're now up to 36 trillion. Why? We wiped out the middle class when we sent all of our manufacturing to China and India. We wiped them out. Well, we had to feed them. We had to house them. So we created governmental programs. What is a governmental program? It is an acronym for my name, my tax return, your tax return. That's what happened. So with that in mind, those people who are the government, who fund the government, we got to find a better way to take care of ourselves. And that is to invest in companies who are going to propel this country into the biggest revolution that it's ever seen and the creation of more wealth than it's ever seen. But we got to get it on our balance sheet, not on the government's. And the only way to get it on our balance sheet is to put it inside our brokerage account and buy those companies who are going to facilitate the AI revolution, not the ones who are already trillion-dollar companies. You can't double your money in a trillion-dollar company. I mean, Apple went from $1 trillion to $3 trillion, but it takes a long time. On the other hand, if you've got a $1 billion company, to turn it into a $2 billion company is quite easy. if you've got a product and service that you and I want. And what is the product and service that you and I want? We don't know it yet, but it's AI. It's that robot that's going to clean the toilets, make the bed, and tell us how to invest in the stock market. It's the same robot. They're going to show up in about 3 years. The robot isn't ready, but Samantha is. And I want to introduce you to her. The link's in the description.